Skylar, bring the kids here. And then we'll talk.
That is not going to happen.
I don't even know who I'm talking to.
If that's true, if you don't know who I am, maybe your best course would be to tread lightly.
Tight, yeah. Blue, yellow, pink. Whatever, man, just keep bringing me down. You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. A guy opens his door and gets shot, and you think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.
When I first met Walter White, he was a quiet man, very beta. I mean, you wouldn't know he was in the room. He was, some would say, a pussy. I mean, nobody took him serious. I mean, his wife didn't take him serious. His friends didn't take him serious. His students didn't take him serious.
Hey, Mr. White. Make those tires shine, huh?
Oh my God.
He was just a typical simp, typical beta. You know, he was like a man child. His wife made all the decisions, and he just said, yes, honey. He wasn't a strong man, and he was treated as such.
He's not coming. He said he quit. I'm gonna run the register.
Again, no. We talked about this.
His own son changed his name to Flint because he didn't want to be called Walter Jr. He respected his uncle more than he respected his own father, because Walter Jr. knew his father was a simp. And in his own words, a pussy. This have to be the greatest transformation I have ever seen. If anybody disagree with me, they're fucking lying, man. They just trolling. This is the greatest transformation from a weenie to a fucking elite alpha. I mean, Walt is fucking so alpha. This motherfucker is terrifying.
I'm burning up!
What about American Werewolf in London? Yes, that was a hell of a transformation. But I tell you right now, if Vince Gilligan hear that shit, he'd be like, hold my bill.
Stop trying to justify this whole thing and admit you're in danger.
Who are you talking to right now? You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. I am the one who knocks.
You know. You all know exactly who I am.
I don't have a damn clue who the hell you are.
Yeah, you do. I'm the man who killed Gus Fring.
That's right. Now, say my name. Heisenberg.
You're goddamn right.
If that's true, if you don't know who I am, maybe your best course would be to tread lightly.
You really don't know Mr. Williams? Then I believe your best course of action is to tread lightly, bitch. That one line. Did you see Hank's eyes? Did you see his eyes? Those eyes was a man that got snapped back into reality. You are not talking to Walter White. You are talking to Heisenberg. I love Hank. I love Hank. But he have always looked at Walt as a little man. A little, weak little man. Alright? He's not a manly man. So that's why it was so easy for Walt to take his weakness that Hank believed and use it to his advantage. This is not the first time Hank witnessed Heisenberg.
But, hey. Whoa. What you doing there? What does it look like I'm doing? Think we've been bogarting this puppy long enough. Hey. The bottle. Now.
He gave him a taste. Right there. That was a taste of Heisenberg. But this scene right here, I know it sent shockwaves through every household. Hank know he's dealing with a grown-ass man now. He's not dealing with a little boy. Hank realized that. So now this shit is, the score is equal now. This is an equal match between Heisenberg and Hank. Both of them are smart. Hank's no fucking dummy. But I like how Walt evened the fucking score now, because this ain't little simp, pussy, weak little Walt. This is fucking Heisenberg. And I'm going to enjoy every motherfucking minute of this fucking show. Right? Let's get to this shit, because I can't take it no more. Yeah, I'll be doing the same thing. Make sure it's real. What the hell? Is he gonna take all of it? What the fuck is Jesse doing? Man, he is all the way gone. He left all that money just sitting in the damn car and playing on the merry-go-round. If y'all was that old man, would y'all would have took the money and just ran off? What y'all would have did? Huh? I don't think he's gonna do anything to Jesse. He look like an old Christian man. Good, hard-working American. I don't think he's gonna do anything. But Jesse needs some help like a motherfucker. He's like all the way gone. All the way gone. But for real, what y'all would have did? Would y'all would have took the money and said, fuck Jesse? Or y'all would have helped? Gave the money back and helped Jesse out? Be honest. Be honest. All right, everybody have a dark side. When greed take over, you lose all train of doing the right thing. All that money just calling you, sitting there. No more getting up in the morning, no more, oh shit. Walk still, walking right, got all his teeth. He ain't bleeding everywhere. They gonna have a stare down? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Mariano, it's me. I need you to get Skylar on the line. No, I need you to get her on the phone right now. Tell her it's urgent. No, what do you mean she won't get off the phone? I am giving you permission, Mariano. You make her get off the phone.
Oh shit. Here come Hank. Oh, she on the phone with Hank.
Mariano, who is Skylar on the phone with?
She on the phone with Hank. Goddamn.
Where is she? Where's Skylar?
She just kind of left. She didn't say where she was going.
Too late, Walt. Too late, buddy.
So much makes sense to me now. You jumping in the pool, you sending us your kids. I get it. I just wished I'd seen it sooner. He's a monster. Look, I don't know what he did to you to force you to keep his secrets. If he threatened you or what mind games he played. I don't know if there was abuse. But I want you to know that you can be open with me. Don't hold anything back. I mean, I don't even understand if you know the full extent of this, what he's done. Not just the meth cooking, but the lives he's destroyed. But look, that's all behind you, starting now. You're done being his victim.
Damn.
Because here's what we're gonna do. Sky, here's what we're gonna do. You and the kids are gonna move back to our house, where you'll be safe. Where he can't get to you.
Fuck.
Does Marie?
No, we'll get to that soon enough. It's just you and me right now, okay? Before we get you back to the house, I want to ask you to tell me everything you can. Take as long as you like. Just start from the beginning, when you first became aware of Walt's activities, and just try to be as detailed as you can.
Right there in the restaurant?
What? Right here? Right now?
Sure, why not? Well, it's still fresh, you know? And just remember to state your name and the date before you start.
Hank,
She don't know what the fuck to say.
we have to do this right now.
No, we don't have to do this right now. No.
She don't know what the fuck
Just
to
here's the
say,
thing.
what the fuck to do.
Solid that I can bring to my people. A statement on the record. So you testifying to Walt's criminal activity, whatever you know. That goes a long, long way here. Okay?
This
I mean,
is bananas.
in a case this big, gathering all this evidence enough to get a conviction, we're talking a long haul proposition here. And I don't want that bastard running out the clock. But with your testimony,
Wait, what do you mean running out the clock?
It's cancer. His cancer's back.
Oh, she didn't know. She didn't fucking know.
He didn't tell you?
Wow.
Who's to say it's even true?
Wow.
Lying piece of shit. No one in the world is more important to me than your sister. So believe me when I tell you that your best interest and
This
mine
is crazy.
are the same.
Hank, you telling me not to talk to a lawyer doesn't sound like that at all. It sounds like what you want. What you want is to get Walt at all costs.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, let's slow down, slow down.
Ooh-wee!
You can,
God damn.
you can talk to a lawyer later. Right now, what we need to do, we need to go get the kids. We need to bring them to my house so that they're safe. And then we need to help each other put that animal away. Okay? Come on.
Hank,
No, come on. Let's go to the house and we'll deal with it there. Come on.
am I under arrest?
Are you under arrest?
Am I under arrest?
Yeah, she knew, and
Skyler, you're not thinking straight about
just say no, man. Just say no.
Am I under arrest?
Oh,
Am
fuck.
I under arrest? Hank, are you arresting me? Am
The
I
fuck?
under arrest?
What the fuck? This shit just went nuclear. Like, Skylar wants to get a lawyer. You know she's gonna get Saul. She's not gonna cooperate with Hank now. Oh my God. So Hank's gonna have to prosecute Skylar as well as Walt. But ain't like husband and wives can't like testify against each other. This shit is fucking bananas. The fuck? Damn.
Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
I know it, man. I fucking know it.
I gotta do it, man.
You gotta do what? You finna take a shit?
Dude,
What the fuck?
what are you doing? Huel,
You finna go to sleep?
quit screwing around. We are here to do a job, not channel Scrooge McDuck. You hearing me?
I hear you.
I feel you, man. Fuck that. I feel you. I feel you, man. Hell yeah.
Mexico. All I'm saying.
I fucking love it. When do you ever get the chance to do some shit like that? Think about it.
All I'm saying.
That's a one in a lifetime opportunity.
She went right to him without even talking to me, without a moment's hesitation.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's not bad. It's bad, but it could be worse.
Oh, really? How much worse could it be, exactly, in your estimation?
What does she actually know? What has she seen? Hmm?
Everything.
It's hearsay. It's all he said, she said. I mean, the only.
I don't think she know about the killings. Do she know about the killings? Yeah, she know about Gus.
Yeah.
She know about Gus.
Nothing. Hank knows. That's not nothing.
Yeah. I can't exactly see him turning the other cheek. Of course, there's always.
Always what?
Have you given any thought to sending him on a trip to Belize?
What?
Belize?
Yeah, Belize. You know, where Mike went to. Off on a trip to Belize.
Saul, you better not be saying what I think you're saying.
It's just conjecture.
Saul he don't have a soul at all.
It's an option.
You understand that?
It's an option that has worked very well for you in the recent past.
Jesus, what is wrong with you?
My mistake. Family off limits, of course.
Boy, he played the most scumbag
Thoughts
lawyer
out there.
in
It's in the safe
history.
room, right?
Send him to Belize. I'll send you to Belize.
All lawyers are vampires.
Finally.
Remember that. Every last one of them are vampires. I wonder if they swipe some of that money.
I
mean, Walt
the
wouldn't
tops
know
off.
shit.
figure you want to check to make sure it's still all there.
You figured right.
I mean, how would he know just walking through that motherfucker like that?
Close enough.
They swipe some. Look how they looking. They swipe some.
On the other end.
Yeah, these things are a bitch to move on your own.
I'll manage.
We don't mind overtime. Ain't no thing.
I'm telling you right now, if that was me, a couple of them barrels would be full of notebook paper at the bottom of it. He went and got the heavy artillery. Motherfucking Marie. Oh, shit. Oh, this ought to be good.
Just you. How long have you known? Hank said that when you walked into the pool, that's when you knew. When you had your... But not then. Before that. Since Gus Frank.
God damn.
Money. All that money that Walt made. When you bought your car wash.
She lied to her about the gambling.
And your whole gambling story.
Oh.
That was a lie.
Ooh, 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 uh-oh.
Did you know then?
Uh-oh.
Did you know since before Hank was shot? Skylar? Marie. I am so sorry. You're sorry. You won't talk. You won't talk to Hank because you think that Walt is going to get away with this.
I don't condone violence. I don't. I really don't. But I have to see that one more time. I did not see that coming. I didn't think Marie was a violent woman. But I have to see it one more time. I'm sorry.
And you won't talk. You won't talk to Hank because you think that Walt is going to get away with this. Marie.
Oh shit, she taking the baby?
Hey, what are you doing? She's coming with us. No, she is not. Give her back to me. Marie.
Hank, get your ass in there.
You are not leaving this house with my daughter. Give her back to me. Marie.
They finna fight with the baby.
You're scaring her. Marie. Give her back to me. Protect her. But I'm doing it. I'm gonna live in this madhouse. Do not.
Hank, where you at? Goddamn it, get in there.
Marie.
Listen, I will call the police. You call them. You call them, Skyler. You call them. Give everything my baby.
Marie, put her down.
You can't take her away from
Marie.
me. Give me my baby. Skyler, we're not leaving my child. Give me my baby.
Marie!
Now.
Do it now.
Give her back.
My God!
You have to get him.
Oh shit. It's gonna be a tag team match. The Schraders against the Whites. Battle of the Baldheads. Battle of the Sisters. Battle of the brother-in-laws. Oh my fucking God. It's a civil war. Smart man. Smart man. I thought about it. You don't want to trust a motherfucker with that type of cash. Not even your own mama. Alright? That's worth every sweat and tear like a motherfucker to bury that shit by your goddamn self.
Oh my God.
God damn.
Walt.
Walk so tired, he look like he been carrying Hugh for 6 miles.
You keep the money. Never speak of it. Never give it up. You pass it on to our children.
Wow.
Give them everything. As you do that.
Wow.
Please. Please don't let me have done all this for nothing.
And you motherfuckers saying Walt don't care about his family? What the fuck y'all talking about? Did you hear what he just said?
How did Hank find out? Did somebody talk?
No one talked. It was me.
Yeah, it was you. Remember at the dinner party? I don't think you called him yet. He could be still out there.
Hank talks. He's got his suspicion. You can't give yourself up without giving up the money. It's the way this works, Walt. So maybe our best move here is to stay quiet.
Look at Skylar acting like a gangster bitch.
Okay, you can take it off now.
Oh shit, it's the nervous wreck. This ought to be good. She got some nice legs though.
I don't like my my time being wasted.
Well, I'm here. And 10 minutes is a small sacrifice when we're talking about a $50 million shortfall. So?
Safe to come down?
Dope. Dope. Okay. Dope.
Ladies first.
They got like a fucking meth lab, like a fucking submarine. It's a fucking school bus. They buried a fucking school bus? How they breathing down that bitch?
How about we start with, it's filthy.
What are you, my mother? What filthy? It's dimly lit.
Do you seriously think this is up to the standards of your predecessor? Because it's not. Not even close.
Well, the product we're making, it's
ain't.
fine. Heisenberg standards don't matter anymore.
To whom? A bunch of scabby Arizona tweakers? They matter to my buyer in the Czech Republic, I can tell you that. Therefore, they matter to me. Look, I cannot move what this person is making if it's substandard. And it is. It just is. No offense.
If you can do better, do better.
I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you tried to get the man back, right? He said no, so... I mean, what do you want me to do?
Todd. Use Todd again.
Todd?
Look.
Fuck Todd.
He learned from him. All right? At least Todd's first two cooks were at 74%.
On his third cook, he started a fire. Look, I tried
fucking
Heisenberg's
water boy.
way, it didn't work out. I want to cook in my territory. I want to use guys that I trust, not Todd, who I don't. And that's the end of the conversation as far as I'm concerned.
I'm surprised she took her scary ass down there.
I really wish you'd given him a chance.
Hey, we have a problem.
What the fuck?
Hello? Ma'am? You okay? Hello?
Is that Todd? What the fuck?
You can come up whenever you want.
Holy.
Are you kidding me with this?
Uncle Jack.
Shit.
Fire in the hole! Okay. Sorry about that. It's cool, lady.
Okay, boys. Let's take it all. Let's get everything.
I guess all those years working for Gus rubbed off on her. I thought this chick was scary as fuck. You can't underestimate this motherfucking chick.
I just don't have it yet. The piece I need to prove it all, it's just not here.
Then let them help you. Tell Steve, tell Raimi. You've got enough to get them to believe your story, at least. Put the whole DEA on it. That's how this is supposed to work, right?
No.
Tell your boy Gomi.
What? No. What are you, Lone Wolf McQuaid?
Look, baby.
You gotta go in with this, Hank.
Look, the day I go in with this, it's the last day of my career, all right? I mean, to have to walk in there, look those people in the eye, and admit that the person I've been chasing the past year is my own brother-in-law.
And they catch Walt without you. If they find out that you knew and you said nothing,
damn,
you go to jail too.
Damn. he gonna do it?
Hey, welcome back.
Morning.
Is he gonna? What the fuck? This don't have nothing to do with nothing. But I never noticed this motherfucker's mustache. You see this shit? He got 2 man buns on his mustache. I know it have nothing to do with nothing, but I never noticed that shit. What the fuck? 2 man buns on his mustache. This motherfucker look like Captain Lou Albano.
Hey, look who's back. I had to see with my own eyes.
There go your boy.
How you doing?
Good, yeah.
I know you're gonna tell his boy.
Listen, like my balls miss Jokic, maybe.
Yeah, I didn't know you had balls.
All right, don't make me sorry I stopped by here. Anyway, you got a budget meeting in an hour, and then you got a meet and greet with the new prescription task force guys, all right?
Hey, listen, let's see if we can get that budget meeting pushed. And instead, see if you could set up a conference call with Ramey.
What for?
Just a getting back up to speed thing for me.
All right. You got it. Oh, hey, did you hear about that money thing?
No, what money thing?
Oh, you're gonna love this. It involves your old pal Jesse Pinkman.
Pinkman?
I'll give you this. Jesse, you're never boring.
Not boring at all. So, come on, buddy. Share with us. Why were you tossing millions of dollars all over Albuquerque?
That old man snitched on him
Just as long as
instead of taking the fucking money.
I got a bladder the size of a hot water bottle.
all that cash, I wouldn't be able to stop talking about it.
I know, right? But I don't think I'd be tossing it out my car window.
My take home definitely doesn't allow for that whole Robin Hood thing, but apparently Jesse here, he's just raking it in.
Yes, indeed. And I'm sure he's got a perfectly reasonable explanation for where he got it.
He found it. Won it in the card game.
That's it. Won it in the card game. Lucky night at the casino.
Jesse, did you have a lucky night?
All that cash? Where'd you get it, Jesse? Oh, man, I couldn't be able to stop talking about it. He probably got it from his mama. Jesse, you are never boring. Man, I tell you, you got all that money? You just tossing out the window? I wonder why. These 2 cops make me fucking sick.
He found it. Won it in the card game, maybe.
Well, that's it. Won it in the card game. Lucky night at the casino.
Jesse, did you have a lucky night? Okay, Jesse, we're gonna let you gather your thoughts so we can continue this stimulating conversation. Can we get you anything? Coffee? A soda?
Yeah. Thought not.
I have a history with Jesse Pinkman.
Oh my
I think it could be
God,
helpful
this
to
is
me
gonna
on
be so
another
fucking
active
good.
investigation. Look,
This
I'm only
is gonna be
asking
so
for,
fucking good.
for a couple minutes here. You said you wasn't talking. Let me tell you, that kid hates my guts, despises me. Okay, maybe I can get him cranked up enough that he starts yapping. Then you guys go in there, get what you need from the little shit stain, finish him off. Gives me anything useful while he's with me, I'll share it, 100%.
I could use a smoke break, yeah. How about you?
Yeah. Maybe you could keep an eye on our suspect for us, just for a few minutes.
Absolutely.
I can use a smoke
I can do
break.
that.
I can use a smoke break. How about you? Yeah. I can use a smoke break. Oh my God, this is gonna be epic. This is gonna be epic. So much to unpack here. What do y'all think about Skylar, man? Let's just get this out. Let's just get this out in the open. What do y'all think about Skylar and Marie? All right? I know a lot of y'all are gonna be pissed off at me because y'all know I'm not a Skylar fan. I'm more of a Marie fan. Marie has been a rider for Hank since episode 1. Skylar been like a roller coaster everywhere with Walt. She thought Walt was a fuck boy her whole marriage, treated him like a pussy, a simp ass motherfucker. Then Walt grew some balls like fucking cast iron, and I guess that opened her eyes to see Walt was a man. You know what I'm saying? So now she's riding with Walt. Okay? That's all I wanted from her from the fucking jump. Is for her to ride with Walt. You know what I'm saying? 100%. Like good or bad. That's what the fuck you married him for. You know what I'm saying? When shit go wrong, you don't go fuck somebody. You know what I'm saying? You stick with them and stick the shit out. Good or fucking bad. And if you can't handle that, get a fucking divorce. Alright? Give a fuck what y'all say. She said she hoped Walt died of cancer. She waiting on the cancer to come back. She feared for her life and the kids. Somebody gonna come and hurt the family. She was worried to death. Walt retired from the business, and the family kind of patched things up. Hank took a shit, put the pieces together, and found out Walt is the fucking Heisenberg. So all the fucking family just told her hell. And now Marie and Skylar are into it. You know what I'm saying? They're fighting for their man. Fighting for their man. Fighting for their men. Fighting for their men. So they fighting for their men. And all hell has broken loose. And the nervous wreck chick, what's her name? Lydia? Well, that nervous wreck chick. Scared of everything with the nice legs. She do have some nice ass legs. Her and Todd are teaming up. And they took out the other suppliers. I don't know what the fuck's going on. So they didn't want to fuck with Todd, because Todd is whack as fuck. He's no Heisenberg. He's not even a Jesse. He's not even a Gale. He's not even a cook. This shit has gotten so fucking deep. I don't know how much deeper it could go. Alright? So I really thought when Marie and Skylar was fighting that the baby was gonna get hurt. Alright? Because on this show, man, unfortunately, a lot of kids get hurt in this show. Breaking Bad don't just put shit in there for no fucking reason. Like, it's always a fucking reason. Marie is out for fucking blood now. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be sister versus sister, brother-in-law versus brother-in-law, bald head versus bald head. You know what I'm saying? Bald head's been rocking on this motherfucking show too, by the way. Great fucking episode. But before we leave off, we got an unboxing from Tony Pitzer. All right? He does woodwork. And he sent Mr. Williams something. All right? Let's see what he sent Mr. Williams and what he built Mr. Williams. We're going to check this shit out. All right? We're going to do this together. All right? Now, before I get started, y'all know what I need. All right? We in October, so we're close to Christmas. Hit the motherfucking Christmas music. Would you look at that? Would you look at the shit? Beautiful work. Beautiful work. My God. And he looked just like my dog Hennessy. Will you look at that? He do look like Hennessy. Huh? I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did making it for you. My name is Tony Pitzer, and I go by Pitts Woodworks on YouTube. That's Pitz. I do a lot of scroll saw work in my garage. I have been watching this series, Breaking Bad, with you, and I love how you edit and comment on the show, especially your little skits. They are just funny as all get out. So I thought I would give you a gift. And here it is. LOL. I'm in my 60s and retired and I become disabled some 5 years ago. I served this great country of ours from 1981 to 1985 at Fort Carson, Colorado, and Bamberg, Germany. Wow. Wow. I have rambled on enough. Keep up the great work you do on the tube, and I hope that you keep the series up with the movie El Camino and Better Call Saul. Gotcha. Take care. Pitts Woodworks. Wow. Thank you, man. Thank you. And let me say this on behalf of Mr. Williams and the entire Underdog family. Hell, the entire YouTube community. Thank you for your services. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And a big shout out to all the veterans out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know the world is fucked up now. We're living in some fucked up times, Cornbread 19, and all the crazy shit that's going on in the world right now. But remember this. If nobody cares, Mr. Williams always cares.